Making money with graphic design offers numerous opportunities. Whether you're working for clients or creating products to sell, here's how you can monetize your skills. Freelance design work. Offer graphic design services to businesses, entrepreneurs, or individuals. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and 99 Designs allows you to showcase your skills and bid on projects such as logo design, branding, brochures, websites, and social media content. You can also build a personal website or use social media to attract clients directly. Sell digital products. Create and sell digital products like templates, logos, icons, business card designs, or social media graphics on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or Design Bundles. You can also create fonts, illustrations, or stock images and sell them to other designers or businesses. Print on demand. Design artwork for print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, posters, and phone cases. Use platforms like Printful or Redbubble to upload your designs, and these platforms handle production, shipping, and customer service. You earn a profit for each sale. Teach graphic design. Create online courses or tutorials to teach others how to design. Platforms like Udemy or Skillshare allow you to create courses and earn passive income.